AWS Community Hero for AWS User Groups São Paulo, Brian Tarbox from AWS User Group Boston, and Bhuvaneswari from AWS User Group Bangalore to have a nice chat and share some thoughts and insights with you all. How do you support your community beyond Bangalore, considering India and even other countries, right? Because we exchange ideas and best practice all the time.
Yeah. See, as part of AWS User Group Bengaluru, like I joined there as a learner. So when we started hosting meetups, we just don't encourage all the experienced people to come and speak, be it a meetup or community day. We extend it for a diverse set of people, even the early developers. They just don't come in for listening. They also get a platform to present. That I really loved it. And here, there is no place for judgment. Community is all about embracing people from all walks of life, working together, learning from each other, right?
Earlier today, we was speaking with you about bringing your own child, your inner self to the meetups while you are interacting with your community. Can you share with us, with the audience, your story?
So it's about holding the child in you, right? November 14th is Children's Day back in India. So I'm here in US for a conference and of course to attend reInvent. I came a little early. So that's when I'm missing my kids. So I sat down, I thought I'd send a Children's Day wish to the kids. So I started writing a poem, Hold On to the Child in You. So this is about recollecting the memories, that the things which we do as a child, right? So we'll wait for things to be positive tomorrow. We have big dreams, we want to explore stuff. As a child, we had a lot of things to do. So I picked up some 7-8 key things and each thing I reiterated and wrote a poem to the child. My kids saying that, hold on to the child in you. So that doesn't apply to them, it applies to all of us.
How do you envision a way to build user groups or to build a safe community so we can have diverse backgrounds, experiences as you built so far for AWS User Group Boston?
We talk about the cloud is always changing and Amazon is always adding new services. And we can turn that into a strength in that one of the things I like to embrace is beginner mind. You know, if you think you know everything, you don't. I mean, it's funny, my undergraduate degree was philosophy, you know, so beginner mind, being open to new and wonder. Amazon has 600 or 700 services. I'm not an expert in 600 or 700 of them. I might be pretty good in 20 or 50 of them. There's ones that I never even heard of. And so I think if we can express that to our members and say, look, I'm a few steps ahead of you on the way, and I think it's our job as heroes to help bring people along and say, look, you're just starting. Tomorrow I'm going to be just starting on some other service. I think if we can embrace that, we get more people to come in. So people have said, you know, what does it take? What do I have to do to join your user group? And I said, click on the link. You know, and they said, but I might not have anything to say to you people. It's like, that's okay. You can listen for a while or ask questions. A user group is, we're there to help you, the community, in however you want the community to exist and grow. If you say, wow, but I have this dumb idea, could we use computers to do X? It's like, whoa, that might be a business idea. You know, that might be the next Uber.
There's no wrong questions. I was always very curious about, okay, but how does that work? Which kind of impact can I achieve, create by using different components? So you don't have to know about everything because it's impossible for a human being retain all the knowledge of the world. You just can rely on your community and ask and have more willing to learn about it. And as you learn, I love it, your example. Go forward and share that kind of learnings with others and bring your true self and also the unique perspective that different backgrounds and different field areas can bring to elevate a user group discussion. Thank you very much, Brian. Thank you very
so
much,
much.
Bruna. I'm so happy to have you. I invite you to follow the examples of my fellow AWS heroes. Find your passion, envision the world that you want to build. Rely on us, rely on your community to learn about the right tool to apply for the right job. And just go build.